We were born in weakness, we will grow, and we will die. So the story of each one of us is a story of accepting that we are fragile. To discover who I am is to discover also a unity between my head and my heart. Fundamentally, to develop the heart is to see that in each person you are beautiful. You see, the whole thing with human beings is to learn to love. And to love is not to do things for people, it's not to tell people what to do, it's to reveal. What do we reveal? You're important. You might be important in the things you do, but there's something even more important than what you do. It's who you are. And who you are is something about your heart, by being open to others. A heart that is not filled with fear. To become fully human is to let down the barriers, to open up, and to discover that every person is beautiful. So to be fully human is the development of the heart and the head, and then we can become one inside of us. Becoming one inside of us, we can little by little let down the ego, the need to prove that I am better than you. And then I can begin to see in other people, other groups, other religions, other cultures, that people are wonderful. And then we can come and we can work for peace together.